The main purpose of the stream class is to format the data. So today we'll talk about how to format the data. Cout 34. This will print out 34 in the standard out. Now if we do cout.setf, this is set format iOS oct iOS base field. This will set the standard out's format to be octal number. Now if we do cout 34, this will print out 42. And if we do cout.setf iOS show base, and now if we print out 34, it will print out 042. And if we change the format to hex and then print out 34, it will print out OX22. That's the hexadecimal number. And if we do cout.onsetf iOS show base and then print the 34, it will hide the base information. And if I do cout.setf dec, this will change the format back to the decimal format. I can also change the ways of the output. Cout wave 10. This will change the output ways to be 10 characters. Now I do cout 26 and L. This will print something like 26 because the data will be aligned to the right. This is the default alignment. And of course I can change the default alignment. Set F iOS left iOS adjust field. Now the output will be something like this. Now let's talk about floating point value formatting. Cout setf iOS scientific iOS float field, and then cout 340.1. This will print out 3.401000 E plus 002. And if I change the format to be fixed, the output will become 340.100000. And I can also change the precision of the number. Cout.precision 3, and now it will print out 340.100. We can also do the formatting for the input. Integer I cin setf iOS hex iOS base field, and now cin I. And at this point, if we enter 12 in the standard input, in the end I will not be equal to 12, I will be equal to 18, because 12 is parsed as a hexadecimal number. There's another function called flag, cout.flags. This will return the information about the current setting of the format. So we can use iOS format flags f equal to cout.flags. And if this function has a parameter flags, then this will set the format flag to this value, iOS oct iOS show base. Now the cout has the format of octal number, and it shows the base information. Now let's talk about some member functions of stream class that handles unformatted I/O, which means they will handle the input-output data as raw text. First, look at input. Say we have if stream inf my log txt, and we have a char buff that has 80 characters of space, and then inf get buff 80. This will read up to 80 characters and save them into buff. Inf get line buff 80. This will also read up to 80 characters or until new line is encountered. Inf read buff 20. This will read 20 chars. Inf dot ignore 3. This will ignore next 3 characters in the stream. Inf peek. This will return the character on top of the stream. Inf unget. This is an interesting function. It will return a char back to the stream. So when the next time you call the inf get function, which reads 1 character, you will get the character that you have returned back. Note that the unget function doesn't have parameters, which means it will always put back the same character you have last read back to the stream. You cannot cheat. However, you can cheat with another function called putback, which can put back a different character back to the stream for next read. And in this case, it put back the character of z. Inf.gcount. This will return the number of chars being read by last unformatted read. And in our case, it will return 1 because the last read is the get function, which reads 1 character. Now let's look at some output. Of stream of my log.txt and of.put. This will put 1 character into the stream. Of.write buff 6. This will write first 6 chars of buff into the stream. Of flush. It will flush the output. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and check out the other videos I have. See you next time.